My name is Hana and I am a demi chef at Hotel Indigo in Melbourne. I graduated from Advanced Diploma of Hospitality Management in Cuisine, and now I'm studying Bachelor of Business in Cordon Bleu, Melbourne. My journey in hospitality started long before I ever stepped into the professional kitchen. I was a kid experimenting at home, learning through trial and error, sometimes getting it completely wrong. But this curiosity, that excitement of creating something new never left me. That passion led me to complete my Advanced Diploma of Hospitality Management at Cordon Bleu, Melbourne. It gave me the foundation to learn how a kitchen runs, how to work under pressure, and what it takes to be a part of a professional team. But I knew I want more. I've always dreamed of opening my own restaurant, and to do that, I realized I need to understand not just how a kitchen works, but how a business success. That's what inspired me to continue into a Bachelor of Business. Now I'm here on my placement, working as a demi chef at Hotel Indigo.
Chips, same size. I written it, smiling paper.
Every day is fast day. My shift starts in the afternoon, and from the moment I walk in, it's about focus and preparation. I work across multiple different sections, from larder to desserts, and sometimes even the grill, constantly learning and constantly adapting. What makes this experience unique is the scale. We are not just serving one restaurant, we're running multiple menus across different brands, all from one kitchen. It's intense, but it's also where I grow the most. I've learned how to manage my time, stay calm under pressure, and take responsibility. I feel confident in my skills, but also start to see the bigger picture. Because it isn't just about cooking anymore, through my study, I'm beginning to understand how everything connects: operations, cost control, and customer experience. How every dish presented out is a part of something bigger. This placement has helped me bridge the gap between theory and practice. It shaped me not just as a chef, but as a future business owner. And if there's one thing I've learned, is this: be open, work hard, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Because in this industry, every challenge is an opportunity to grow. And for me, it's just the beginning. This industry network and hands-on experience remind me why I choose Cordon Bleu.